How to read body language. Understanding body language can lead to close relationships and non-verbal communication constitute up to 60% of meaning in interpersonal communication. 1. Noticing at signal tape up le sang out tweet ser body language en able to effectively read those cuitus a very useful skill. With a little extra attentiveness, you can learn to accurately read body language, and with an practice it can become second nature. Watch for crying. Crying is considered to be caused by an explosion of emotion in most culture. Oftentimes crying is considered a sign of sadness or grief, but crying can also be an expression of happiness. Crying can also come about through gloat and humor. Thus, when assessing crying, you'll need to look for a signal to determine the appropriate context of the crying. 2. Crying can also be forced or manipulated in order to gain sympathy or to deceive others. The practice is known as crocodile tear, a colloquial expression ta don't meet ta crocodile cry when catching prey. 3. Look for sign of danger en barre oblique or trea. Sign of trea include the chapet bro, with eye, en open or down turnamut. 4. Arin tightly cross the totei a commencing at person y angry en y closing y self of to you. 5. Look for signal of anxiety. When people exhibit anxiety, te display increased blinking en facial movement, en sermut strucento atteint line. 6. Individual WHO are anxious also fidget en fiddle with serrant, unable to keep them in on a spot. 7. Anxiety can also be conveyed when people say mangly unconsciously tap surfe or have jittery leg. 8. Look for expression of embarrassment. Embarrassment can be signaled by averting at your shifting them away, turning of the head, en control or event en smile. 9. If someone looks down at a flow or hollow, they are probably shy, timid, or embarrassed. People also tend to look down when they are upset, or trying to hide something emotional. People are often thinking and feeling unpleasant emotion when they are in the process of staring at the ground. Noticing a manifestation of pride. People show pride by displaying a small smile, tilting their head backward, and putting their hands on their hip. 10. Reading attraction Q. Evaluate eye contact. Making eye contact is a sign of attraction, a blinking more than average cdt per minute. 19, 20. Winking can also be a sign of flirting or attraction. However, keep in mind that it may be culturally specific, some Asian culture frown upon winking and consider it rude. 21. Watch for certain facial expressions. Smiling is one of the clearest signs of attraction. Make sure you know how to decipher a forced smile from a alone. You can tell fake smile from alone because the smile de un ria alt way to say. Genuine smile usually result in crinkle around a person eye, crowfait. When people fake smile, you on se te wrinkle. 22, 23. Resignate bro a also been observed as a sign of flirting. 24. Consider te person posture, gesture, instance. Generally people WHO are attracted to a three to close the distance to on a note. Timament leaning forward toward te person more bu can also be more direct, in the form of touching. A light tap or stroking of the arm can be a signal of attraction. Attraction can also be signaled by the person staying pointed over or facing at object of interest. 25. Palin turne up a note sign of romantic interest because it suggests openness. 26. Behavior of gender difference in showing attraction. Men and women can show difference in demonstrating attraction via their body language. Amant likely to lean forward and turn it torso toward the person of interest, whereas women en reciprocating attraction turn their torso away and lean back. 27. En interestedment mal lifty en above head, anglais à 90 degrés. 28. When a woman show attraction, but are mab open, en temps ma touche the body in area between tits and chin. 29.